I welcome you here and ask for you to turn off all distractions and allow yourself to be truly present in this time. First, take a deep breath into your heart center. Close your eyes and open your third eye. Envision being grounded into Mother Earth. This time, allow yourself to release any tension in your hips and the surrounding area. To do this, focus on the area and continue to take deep breaths until you feel a release. At this time, ask for the protection of your guardians to come forward to serve you. Continue feeling grounded inside yourself and with Mother Earth, feeling the deep connection you share with yourself and Mother Earth. Ask for your sacred entrance to come forth. Go through. As you go through your sacred entrance, you stop to take a deep breath in and soak in all of the pure energies of your sacred space. After you feel full once again, you start to walk around your sacred space and you see the sun is shining bright and you can tell it's between evening and dusk. You can feel the warmth reaching from the sun to you, making you feel safe and comfortable. While you're walking around, you hear a slight buzz coming from tiny wings. You start to look around to find where the noise is coming from, and you see a beautiful blue dragonfly. It begins to dance around you and encouraging you to follow it. You start to walk with the dragonfly, and it seems like he's playing and dancing with you as he flies around you in the most delightful and leading way. Before you know it, you are beside a stream that has a light current, and you feel the coolness coming from it. Continuing to look at this stream with more detail, you see the vast amount of dragonflies that call this part of the stream home. The dragonfly that led you here lands on a cattail that is just a foot away from your face and begins to talk. Now is the time to realize when your ego is talking and when your intuition is talking. So be aware of any falsehoods, deceit, or illusions that are hiding the truth from a current situation or relationship. Whenever you're in doubt, you can always call upon me to help you find out the truth. Also, you could always ask the information if it's true and you will get an answer. You breathe that in and become fascinated by all the dragonflies around you. The dragonfly clears his throat and says, "When you feel you are being too logical and are in the left side of your brain, this is another way to tell if your ego is trying to be in the driver's seat. When you start to become more aware of this, you can simply ask for your intuition to step forward, which is located on the right side of your brain. When this happens, you will be able to tap into your deeper emotions and see what is truly happening in and around you." He flies down to a boulder by the edge of the stream and points to the ground with one of his tiny little arms to invite you to sit beside him. When you do, you realize once again you are at eye level with him. Now he points to the stream where all of his brothers and sisters are flying around and tells you, "I'm so happy you showed up today, as right now is a very magical time for you, where mysteries of life will be reawakened and solved. Anytime you need to reawaken this magic inside of you or solve a mystery of life, you are always welcome to come back here anytime, as this place is amazing for recharging your psychic batteries, and now is the best time to do that." As you breathe in this new wisdom and place to come when you need to let go of your ego, you continue to look at the large number of dragonflies that are holding this sacred energy and space for you. Cutting through the buzzing of all the dragonflies, the one dragonfly speaks again. "Right now is an important time for you, as you will be changing the way you think. You will start to become more aware of when your ego is speaking and when your intuition is speaking. You will be able to silence your ego soon and just have your intuition do the talking from now on. Know this is a major transformation, so take the time you need to make this grand change, and you are always welcome here to recharge your batteries." And with that, the dragonfly stops talking to allow both of you to soak in the juicy energy floating around you and to enjoy the peace of mind. If you have any questions for your new friend, now is the time. The dragonfly decides it's time to fly again and lands on your hand. You bring him closer to your face to see eye to eye once again. You can feel how happy he is to have you here and says, "I have decided to land on you to give you a boost of luck. Not like you need it, but I am positive it will help you. And now it is time to go back to reality." So you get up and start to make your way back to your sacred entrance. As you do, the dragonfly adds, "I know you will enjoy the journey you are starting to create for yourself. Remember, you are always welcome to come for a chat whenever you believe your ego is stepping over boundaries. Learn to use your ego as your ally and not the enemy. In time, you will learn to do this. For now, focus on knowing when your ego is speaking." Now you are standing before your sacred entrance. The dragonfly lifts off your finger, gives you a nod to say goodbye, and heads back to his home. You see where the sun is now, and dusk has begun. You say goodbye to your sacred space and go through your entrance. Once through, you focus on each inhale and exhale you take. Next, you allow yourself to move your fingers and toes to reground yourself into your body. After a few more breaths, you decide to slowly open your eyes and allow them to adjust to the light around you. Then you let your body stretch to get the new energies flowing. With the help from the dragonfly, you now know how to remove your ego and start to figure out when your ego is talking and when your intuition is talking. So write in your journal of what new wisdom you've received during this meditation. And so it is.